Hey guys, this is the Cursor Fitness treadmill, model C70. I'm going to go ahead and put it together so we can take a closer look at it, at the features, at its actual size, and see if it's a great fit for you. I'll post the product link below in the description. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's take a look at this treadmill. I paid about $300 for this. We just needed a smaller treadmill, but we didn't want the walking pad because those go only up to about 3 miles per hour. But this one has the handle, it has the pad to put your phone or your tablet on, and you can just watch something while you run. Comes with the 2 tighteners right here, 2 tighteners for the bottom, Allen wrenches for maintenance, and the lubricant. Basic instructions and all the parts that are there. All the parts over here, and this is where you see the app instructions, how to pair the device with your phone. Weighs just around 80 pounds, which makes it easy to move around, but also heavy enough for it to be more stable and sturdy. This treadmill has a 2.5 horsepower brushless motor, which is very quiet. So it'll just start from the lowest speed all the way to 7.5. Have the mic right by the motor. So this is a walking speed of 3.3 miles per hour. I'm going to bring it up to 6.5 miles per hour. And let's do the top speed of 7.5 miles per hour. Shows the distance I went already. This is how many calories I've burned so far. Next one is going to be speed that I'm set at right now. And this is the time that I've been working out. This is the safety pin right here. As soon as it rips off, if you have this attached to your clothes, as soon as you rip it off, the machine just stops immediately. That's a safety feature on all the treadmills. Here's a cool thing about this. You can always lift this side up and move. There's wheels on that side, and you can move this treadmill around. Super easy to fold it away and also to set it up. There are 4 total pins. When we loosen these, the one on the right and left side, that gives us the opportunity to fold this down, and then we can unscrew the pins on the right and the left side and push this down. Then you can pick it up and slide it. It doesn't require a lot of space, so you don't need a designated area for it. You can always find a place for an item like this. Super convenient, easy to use, easy to set up, durable, does not require much maintenance. It does come with a lubricant that you will need to apply very rarely. It's about every 2 months, and it's very simple to do. We have the lubrication schedule right here. This treadmill has a 5-layer anti-slip belt, 6 silicone shock absorbers, and there's also 2 soft rubber kind of pads right here on each side. You can use this control panel. That's where you press start or stop, and then programs, mode, and speed, higher speed and lower speed. You can also control your speed on this handle right here, more and less. And this side also lets you do stop workout and start workout. We have nice sensors right here on both sides. Walking pads will cost you about the same thing, but why I prefer this over just a walking pad is because the speed on walking pads are usually 3.5 to 4 miles per hour with just a walking speed. This one goes up to 7.5 miles per hour, which is a good running speed. So overall, I really like this item, especially the price that it has. I got it for $300 on Amazon. It was 4.4 star reviews at that time out of 2,000 plus reviews. Seems like many people love it, and now I'm one of them. This is a great product in my opinion, especially for the price. The picture on the listing and a lot of the listings of this type can be a little bit off. It seems like they have a shrunk person on the treadmill. It makes the treadmill look very big. But in any case, I looked at the dimensions before I was buying it and I knew what I was getting. Now you can see and compare it to me. I'm 5'10", and you can see how big it is or how small it is. You have a better idea now. I really appreciate you watching this video and letting me share my opinions with you on this particular product. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the product link down in the description below. Have yourself a great day and be well.